In an electrifying event in Mumbai, Saturday night belonged to the Jonas Brothers. Nick Jonas, alongside his brothers Kevin and Joe, delivered an unforgettable performance at Lollapalooza, India on January 27th. The Jonas Brothers left no stone unturned to make their first ever performance in the country remarkable. Nick, who is the husband of Indian star Priyanka Chopra, kicked off his performance with a special mention of his marriage, which was held in Udaipur, Rajasthan in 2018. This is our very first performing in India. The Sangeet doesn't count. We, as a family, have a deep, deep connection with the country. Thank you for having us, and we will make the most excitable night ever, said Nick. Adding to the night's excitement, a standout moment occurred as the enthusiastic crowd welcomed Nick with resounding chants of Jiju Jiju means brother-in-law. The Jonas Brothers set the stage on fire with the energetic beats of Galla Gunya from Priyanka's movie Dil Dhadakne Do, setting a perfect tone that echoed through the thrilled Indian audience. As Nick stepped onto the stage, the overwhelming sentiment reverberating through the venue was the affectionate term Jiju. Stepping up to the microphone, Nick Jonas warmly introduced his brothers Joe and Kevin during the memorable night. However, in a playful twist, he affectionately referred to his elder brother Kevin as Bade Papa, drawing a connection to how Nick's daughter Malti Mary addresses him. For your understanding, in North India, it is customary for children to address the elder brother of their father as Bade Papa. The trio then took the stage, treating the audience to a stellar performance on their chart-topping hits including Waffle House, What a Man Got to Do, Celebrate, Sucker and Jealous, among others. Adding a delightful touch to the night, Nick even showcased his versatility by performing the Hindi version of Maan Meri Jaan X Afterlife alongside King. Actress Taapsee Pannu added star power to the Jonas Brothers gig as she enthusiastically cheered for Jiju Nick and his brothers. Pannu shared a glimpse of her concert experience on her Instagram stories, captioning it, "Jija ji stage pe hain." The much anticipated event, which kicked off at the Mahalakshmi Racecourse in Mumbai, featured performances by various artists including Jungle, Royal Blood, Halsey, Italian EDM artist Medusa and DJ Mala, among others. The Jonas Brothers' electrifying performance marked a high point in the star-studded musical extravaganza.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.